Presentation of working with terminals and kitchen display system. The Aria software enables the registration of various terminals for operation in your hospitality establishment. The cash register is the basic type of terminal. In addition to the cash register, your device can be registered as a remote ordering device or as a kitchen display system. All terminals communicate with each other over the local network in your establishment. Any change on any of them is immediately visible on all the others. Therefore, it is necessary that all are connected to the local network via Wi-Fi connection or UTP cable. Aria provides constant insight into the connection between terminals. Here we will demonstrate the registration of 3 different types of terminals and working with the kitchen display system. First, we will register the cash register. Immediately after logging in, a window for terminal registration appears. In this window, we select the type of terminal, cash register, remote ordering device, or kitchen display system. We select the cash register, enter its name, and register it. After registration, we can notice the connection indicator in the upper right corner. This indicator will show us the connection status and the list of connected terminals at any time. For now, we see only one terminal, and after we register the others, they will appear here. If the connection between the terminals is successfully established, this indicator will be marked green. Finally, to start working on the cash register, we will open the shift and enter the deposit. Now we move on to the registration of the kitchen display system. After registration, the kitchen display system will open. In the upper left corner, the connection indicator shows that the connection with the cash register has been successfully established. The kitchen display has 2 main sections. One that shows open orders, and another that shows completed ones. On the right side is the settings menu. Here we can set the number of orders per page and the font size, depending on the screen size. We can also set the time after which the order will be marked yellow as a warning, or red if the preparation time is exceeded. For the purposes of our presentation, we will set the yellow warning timer to 3 minutes, and the red one to 5 minutes. Finally, at the top is the menu with additional options. Now we move on to the registration of the remote ordering device. This is usually a mobile device, for example, an Android phone. As before, we select the type of terminal, enter its name, and in this case, also select the cash register to which this remote ordering device will be linked. We have registered all 3 terminals. If we check the connection between them, we will see that all are connected. Now we can make the first order. We select drinks and food. Then at another table, we repeat the process, after which we expect the 2 orders we just entered to appear on the kitchen display system. As we can see, the kitchen display system shows the mentioned orders. Each order, in addition to the list of items, contains the waiter's name, table information, the time it was issued, and its duration. Let's now place 2 more orders. This time from the cash register itself. In the table view, we see that tables 6 and 8 are occupied by another waiter. We will place one order at tables 4 and 2 each. Of course, on the cash register itself, we can see that all terminals are connected. Any connection problem will be shown here. Let's go back to the kitchen display system. Now we see the 2 new orders. The previous 2 orders are marked yellow because 3 minutes have passed since they were issued. This way, the software warns us that we are close to exceeding the allowed preparation time for the order, in our case 5 minutes. If we now open the menu on the right side, we see a summary of the items on hold. This summary allows chefs to group and optimize meal preparation. If we now look at the order for table 6, we see that it is approaching 5 minutes since it was issued. When 5 minutes are exceeded, this order will be marked red. The order can be closed entirely, or we can close it item by item. When an item from the order is ready, we click on it to mark it as completed. If we have marked all items from the order as completed, the order gives us the option to mark it entirely as completed. After that, it moves to the completed orders display, so now we see that we have 3 open and 1 completed order. Now we will close the entire order for table 8 by clicking twice on its header. If we made a mistake, we can return any closed order back, that is, recall it, in the same way we closed it. Finally, we will complete the order for table 4 and return to the cash register. In the table view on the cash register, we now see tables 4 and 6 and 8, marked with a green check mark, which appeared after we closed the orders at these tables. A long press on the table will remove the check mark. This way, the waiter reports that he has acknowledged that the order for that table is ready and waiting to be taken to the guest. Additionally, every waiter, at any time, can enter the kitchen display system and see all completed orders there. In the menu at the top right, we select the kitchen, and the display of completed orders opens. The waiter can activate a filter that will filter the orders and show only those he issued. This way, the waiter always has insight into all completed orders waiting for him. Let's demonstrate the same on the remote ordering device that the waiter carries with him. Again, in the menu at the top right, we select the kitchen and open the display of completed orders. In the same way, we can filter them. Of course, on this mobile device, it is possible to adjust the order display to fit the screen size. Finally, if we access the kitchen from any device or from the back office, logged in as an administrator or manager, a complete overview of the kitchen opens. The manager can monitor what is happening in the kitchen in real time, how busy it is, whether there are orders for which the maximum preparation time has been exceeded, and so on. This way, the manager is provided with a complete overview of the kitchen's functioning and the hospitality establishment in general, from any device and any location. Thank you.